What's up YouTube? It's Christine with Gaugeable Training here, an online meal planning coaching service. We're getting in my kitchen today. I'm gonna show you guys all of my favorite goodies from Trader Joe's. So let's get started. So it's been a while since I've done a meal prep or grocery haul, guys. Forgive me, but I'm here and I want to show you guys what I got from this recent Trader Joe's grocery store trip. So got some of the basics like eggs. Got some eggs here. One of my go-to, I don't leave the grocery store without spinach. It is just one of my staples in my meal prep. It's super easy to do, and I got a few fun things I want to tell you guys about. I got these organic beef hot dogs from Applegate Organics. They're uncured. I love Applegate Organics, by the way, you guys. It's a really good brand, really reputable, and I like to take hot dogs and chop them up and actually kind of like fry them. So we'll check that out. Really good quality here. I actually even substitute this in for like a breakfast meat. I also picked up the Trader Joe's maple chicken breakfast sausage. This is awesome. I'm gonna use this and this in some of my breakfast rice bowls, which I'll be showing you guys in the coming videos. I picked up some Brussels sprouts as a staple as well. Now, I don't get everything at Trader Joe's. I just went for some fun goodies, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I picked up the barbecue cut fresh Atlantic salmon boneless filet Norwegian. This is so good. It's a really good quality salmon. And again, I don't eat this for like my everyday regular protein, but occasionally I like to have some salmon and it's good. I also got some premium Angus ribeye steak. Now I do go for fattier cuts of steak in general, but I eat them sparingly and I balance them into my macros. Some more protein sources I picked up. I also got these uncured pork and beef hot link sausages. Again, I eat these sparingly, but I will be throwing these into my rice bowls because I just think they taste really good. The macros, they are high in fat, but they are relatively high in protein as well. So they're 15 fat per link, 12 protein. So what I would do is I'd take one of these, chop them up, and I'm gonna stir fry it with some egg whites and some rice and whatnot. I always like to pick up these pre-cooked chicken. I got the grilled lemon pepper chicken, and I get this just for convenience because right now I don't have cooked food in the house. So it's easy for me to just already have something, so I have no excuse with my meal prep. I picked up their uncured bacon ends and pieces. This is always fun for me, again, with my rice bowls. Now, I also got some shrimp. I got their raw shrimp. I love seafood, and I like to have this with some veggies, and I've been even having these with like lettuce wraps and whatnot, but I'll show you guys what I make with these. And last protein I got for this haul was I got a big bag of boneless chicken breast meat. This is 40 ounces. I believe this was only $6.99 for all of this, and I'll show you guys how I batch cook this. Now let's move on to some carbs. I love Trader Joe's frozen rice. I'm obsessed with the convenience. I got this brown rice. Here they are frozen into 3 10-ounce baggies. I really like this because the way I cook rice, because I'm half Asian, typically make a big batch at a time, and that's convenient, it's economical, but like if I have too much rice and available, I'm gonna eat it all, so I like to make these smaller portions. I got a couple things of it. I also trying their rice medley. I had this like years ago if you guys watch my old Trader Joe's videos, but this is a blend of brown rice, red rice, and black barley. Similar macros. It just tastes really good, and it's an easy way to mix it up. Now, I'm so glad to see these back at Trader Joe's. They have mashed sweet potatoes, and the nice thing about them, let me see if you guys can see, there's like these little discs in here of the mashed potatoes, and it is literally, sorry, the only ingredient is the sweet potatoes, as you can see right here. So if you want the easiest meal prep ever, you literally just take 2 or 3 of these discs and put it together with your protein. It's a game changer, lifesaver. Throw these in your freezer and forget about it. Super awesome. And I also got some organic jasmine rice. I like variety with my carbs, so that's what I got there. All right, guys, now for some fun things. I got some organic garlic. I'm always a fan. I got some mushrooms, organic baby cremini mushrooms. These are always fun to throw into my stir fries. I got this cute little baby pumpkin just because, just cause. Okay, I couldn't resist. I got some organic pumpkin puree. So organic pumpkin, half of a cup is 50 calories, 10 carb, 1 protein. I'm gonna be playing with this and my Gauge Life protein. So make sure you guys are following me on the Gauge Life Sups IG page because I'm gonna be making up some like pumpkin spice fun recipes. So you don't wanna miss that. I got these coconut oil packets. They are single serve. Each one is 15 milliliters, so half a tablespoon. So these are fun. I will occasionally use these for my coffee once in a while, sometimes for cooking oils as well. I used to talk about this all the time, but the coffee barbecue rub from Trader Joe's is life. It just makes everything taste good. I can use it on meat, you can use it on veggies, super delicious. And I'm trying out this Mushroom and Company multi-purpose umami seasoning. So if any of you guys have used this or any of you guys are umami fans, comment, let me know what you think, what I should use this with. I want some ideas. And last but not least, I'm so excited. Delicata squash, you guys. These are so delicious. I'm so excited. So that's it for the grocery haul. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you guys the meal prep and all the magical, wonderful goodness I make with this stuff. So please give the video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts below. See you in the next one. Peace out, friends.